Hey guys, this is Candace of Naturally Stellar coming at you with another video with a very quick high pony updo sponsored by GRAYAWAYPARTNER. So virtual and in-person socially distanced events are back in full swing and we want to stay looking our best, right? So today's tutorial is going to be a very quick updo that you can wear pretty much every day. You can do it in 5 minutes. And I'm also going to show you how to hide your grays. So first we want to start out by misting our hair with water. Next, you're going to apply whatever your favorite styling product is. For me, I do a leave-in conditioner. My hair is super fine but very dense, so that's what I use. So I apply that all around the perimeter of my hair, and then I take my detangler brush and you're going to brush your hair up into a really super high bun. Make sure you secure your bun with a covered elastic band, no rubber bands or anything like that. Those things lead to breakage. And you're just going to grab your hair tightly, not too tight, and then you want to make sure that you cover your ends though and tuck those ends inside. Now grab your favorite hairpiece and begin to attach. You're going to make sure you use the combs, and you want to tuck those combs underneath your bun. You want to grab the front and the back comb. Then you want to pull the drawstring a couple of times, and then you want to go all the way around that bun with your drawstring, and then you want to secure that drawstring with a bobby pin. Fluff your hair up, style it. This hair is going nowhere. Then you want to take your bobby pins and just strategically place them wherever you feel you need them. And when you feel confident that your style is the way you want it, let's get rid of those grays. If you don't have a lot of gray to cover, I would suggest going in with the GRAYAWAY Root Touch Up Quick Stick. You just want to use the waxy side of this stick at first and go in and just do nice gentle strokes along your gray hairs. And then when you feel confident that you're done, go in with the spongy side and just blend it in. It blends in really nicely. And then if you have larger areas, I would say go on with the Root Concealer Spray. And then that is your finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, you can follow me on naturallystellar.com.